Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FB dating option not showing on Facebook. So guys, firstly let me show you here if it's showing or not. As you can see guys, it's not showing in my Facebook. So how can I enable this, or how can I get back FB dating option on Facebook? So firstly let me tell you that you have to make sure that you have an updated version. If you don't have updated version of Facebook, then you don't be able to see this option. Now as you can see guys, my Facebook isn't updated, so I'm going to update this one. As you can see guys, now my Facebook is updating right now. Now my Facebook has been updated, and then you have to check if it's showing or not. And if it's not showing, then you have to open settings, and then you have to scroll it down from here, and then you have to open channel from here. And after that, what you need to do is just simply scroll it down, and then you have to tap on date and time, and from here you have to make sure that you have set it automatically, and then go back from here, and then you have to tap on software update. And from here you have to make sure that if you are updated your device to the latest version. If you don't, then you have to update your device to the latest version, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the pounds are less there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again. Then you have to turn on location for Facebook. So you have to turn on the location for the Facebook, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if the palms are less there, then let me tell you that you have to make sure that you are above 18. So you have to check your date of birth in Facebook and make sure that you are above 18. If you are not 18 plus, then it's not showing in your Facebook. So this feature is available for over 18 years old. So if you are 18 years and if it's not showing, then you have to change your country origin, because in some countries this option isn't available. So you have to change your country origin, and after that your problem will be fixed, and this option will be unable to your Facebook. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.